Tired of just browsing Zillow and dreaming? Let's turn those dreams into dollars. This is your express guide to making real money with Zillow Listings. First up, lead generation. Become a virtual bird dog. Identify undervalued or fixer-upper properties on Zillow, then find investors or flippers who are actively seeking these types of deals. Contact them with the Zillow link and your insights act as a middleman, charging a referral fee for connecting them with a potentially profitable investment. Next, think about wholesaling. Use Zillow to scout properties that are priced below market value due to needed repairs or quick sales. Secure a contract with the seller, then market that contract to other investors for a higher price than you agreed to pay, essentially flipping the contract and pocketing the difference without ever owning the property. Method 3. Rental arbitrage. Identify properties on Zillow that look perfect for short-term rentals, like Airbnb. Research if the local market supports this model and estimate potential profits, then approach the homeowner with a proposal to manage their property as a short-term rental, sharing a percentage of the revenue. Make sure you have their permission, of course. Lastly, becoming a Zillow Premier Agent. This option requires more investment but offers significant returns. By advertising on Zillow, you can capture leads actively searching for properties in your area. This is a direct route to connecting with potential buyers and sellers. So there you have it, 4 ways to make money with Zillow. Don't just scroll, strategize, like and subscribe for more real estate gold.